Living in Tokyo, Japan, having 2 boys, this is my what I eat on the weekend. Waking up 6 in the morning, still dark outside. I don't want to wake up that early on the weekend, but my kids wake up around 6 a.m., so I have to wake up also. They are like an alarm to me. Then I usually get cooking around 6:30, but I really didn't feel like making anything that day because the night before was kid's birthday and I had so much to prepare. So I asked my husband to make something for the breakfast. I believe my recipes are all pretty simple and easy, but he goes beyond that. Everything he makes is super easy and quick. This morning, he made a salmon ochazuke. Direct translation for ochazuke is a rice in green tea. Japanese like to change up the ingredients to their liking. Instead of using green tea, my husband opted for dashi soup, which is a fish stock. Over the steamed rice, add dashi powder, bonito flakes, wakame seaweed, and salted salmon chunk and soy sauce. For adults, he added salted pickled plum and grated ginger. Pour boiling hot water and that's it. Kids are sensitive to the heat, so adding some ice cube. This is so simple, but we love it, especially in winter chilly morning. There is no exact measurement for my husband's recipe, so let me know if you guys want that recipe. I will write down for you. After finishing the breakfast, we were off to the bike tour. Because of the pandemic, we try not to use the public transportation as much as possible. The bike is now becoming our best friend. We were going to the park, but on the way, we bump into the fancy Starbucks. Inside is like a museum or coffee factory. It's full of entertainment. I just fell in love with the place and our atmosphere. We ordered 2 coffee plus 2 bread, and it cost me over $30. The price is also on the luxury side. Does my English make sense to you guys? While we are in the line, the guys in the store explained us how to roast the coffee beans. Kids were so into the process of making it. So overall, I think it's worth to pay for the expensive coffee once in a while. Because we spent $30 for a coffee, we decided to make a lunch at home instead of takeout. We stopped at the park before heading back to home, and for lunch, I just warmed up the leftovers the night before. This is low-carb vegan noodle salad. I'm going to make a recipe video of that, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And saute some salmon and made a miso soup by using leftover veggies. At local greengrocer, I found this gigantic tiger radish. It was only $1. I was so happy when I found this. By using the leaf part, I made something to go with the rice for a meal prep. Saute with toasted sesame oil and add some salted kombu. Kombu is a type of seaweed, and let it cook until the volume reduces down in third. It's gonna last for 4 days in the fridge. I have a recipe on my web. I link that on the description box below. And for dinner, quickly making some hot pot using this store-bought soup stock. In a soup, add whatever vegetable you want. Of course, I'm adding loads of daikon radish. I got mushroom, Chinese cabbage, sweet potato, and mizuna leaf, tofu, and shabu shabu pork. Then just simmer until the vegetables are cooked through. I love to eat with the grated daikon radish as a topping. Daikon radish has a sweetness and a little bit of pungency, so nicely incorporated with the hot pot or grilled fish. I have whole blog talking about daikon radish again, so link is on the box below. That's it for today. You guys seem to enjoy my first what I eat in a day video, so I decided to make more. If you like this video, leave the comment or give it the thumbs up. For more what I cook for my family, follow me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. またね. Bye bye.